One thing that I do like to talk about with customers is there is this thought pattern where if it's not cold enough in the home, especially in air conditioning season, if we turn the thermostat from say 70 degrees to 65 degrees, somehow the home is going to get colder. That is not true. So most residential home air conditioners are not going to cool your house much below 70 degrees. You might be able to get to 68, 69 degrees, but much lower than that, they just aren't built or designed to get that cold. And so as a system gets down into those 60s, what we find happening is, especially if there's a dirty filter, is the return air gets to be so cold as it passes through that cold air conditioning coil, it'll often build frost and the system will start to freeze up. And so if you find that you're having to set your thermostat 3, 4, 5 degrees below or above the temperature that's comfortable for you, we recommend calling. Somewhere within the system, something is compromised, something is broken, something is not working correctly, and it needs to be addressed.